Corner. All they're thinking about. Oh, as Rohit's just gone massive over mid-on here.
Beautiful. Masterful.
Given that something, he's given it everything. What a way to go to 50. Rohit Sharma. As the World Cup is upon us, remember the name.
Oh, that's nicely hit. That'll be all the way. Maxwell changing the angle round the wicket, didn't work.
This is what Rohit Sharma's been doing brilliantly. A slow start. I think his first eight balls were...
No, he's got hold of that and got hold of that really well.
Oh, up and over. Up and over and all the way.
On the offside for safe. Very good shot. Using his feet. Heading over covers. He was dropped in the field.
He hits big. He hits too big. He's done it. Sharma has done it. India are delirious. Glory is ripped away from the men in black.
This game is cruel. So cruel from a New Zealand point of view. It's in the slot, wasn't executed. Sharma under the pump.
Still as it stands. That sounded good, long on. Can only watch.
Where is just mind-boggling, Rohit Sharma. After Yuvraj Singh, now that he's retired, the man with the best bat swing in the world.
Met with an unbelievable shot.
Does the rest over square leg. That's right in his wheelhouse. He doesn't miss out on those. And Mumbai are off to an absolute flyer.
That's a visit, Sadi Bian.
Hold the pose for the cameras. Here's another unacademy cracking Max.
Against somebody like Kagiso Rabada, this is sensational.
And if one's not good enough, I'm going to hit you again. That's huge.